When the United States and Russia started sending people to space, a difficult question arose: how to write notes in zero gravity. The legend says the US spent millions of dollars to develop a unique space pen that will replace the fountain pen, whereas the Russians simply used a pencil. Legend or a true case study, a good design-driven decision can be as simple as a pencil, the best solution for a given situation. Thinking outside of the box, not taking anything for granted, not shapes and looks alone. This asynchronous design-driven innovation course is not only for designers or design students. Also, this isn't a classroom course alone. We'll use creative visual tools, get outside, meet people, and shake up what we think we know. We'll play around with our thoughts and ideas and practice a fresh attitude to problem solving, or rather, problem finding. In this course, we will learn how we can think like designers, empathize with different environments and users, and come up with ideas. Ideas that take into account not only advancements in technologies or knowledge, but the true needs of our users, the market, and even our planet. No matter if you plan to be an astronaut or a teacher, we invite you to gain an innovative worldview. We'll help you come up with surprising solutions and maybe even do some good in the world.